What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Today's cloudy, crappy, rainy weather in Seattle, but we get to play with this C63 V8 twin turbo downpipes. Oh, look, somebody's over there.
Hello everybody. Just like I cleaned that room. Yeah, C63S came for downpipe, cutted downpipe installation, and customer wanna save a little bit amount of money, and he decided to let me show. He decided to cut the downpipe, original one, because if you remember, it's like looks like a big snake, and for that downpipe, remove, replace RNI, like we call in quick RNI. Need a pull-out transmission because it's blocked, and you physically you can remove the downpipe. But he decided to cut. It saved like 5-6 hours. Well,
okay,
this is his choice. Easy for us. But let's start from top and then we go to the bottom.
He's got some fancy downpipes.
Yeah, shielded.
I don't know the brand. I didn't see.
Not bad.
It doesn't look too bad, but we'll see how they perform, and we'll see how it performs.
And how is they fit.
That too. So much fun cutting a brand new downpipe. Having fun?
Magic. Yeah, have fun. From the top we disconnect sensors, blah blah blah. Now just like cut in half.
The deed is done.
Yeah.
They are
cutted and removed.
Oops, no more.
No more. Yeah. Now it's much easier to install the aftermarket downpipe back. Yeah, and we just cut close to this area and that area. Yeah, you see. Well, save the time, save money for customer. Maybe he spent money for some another different things, but anyway. Now it's no way back to install original cut, or you have to weld it. But
yeah,
it is what it is.
We did what customer wanted.
Our target to finish this car today, fire up and check if everything is fine, return it. And if he decides to tune this car, we're ready to help. Let's install everything back and fire up to check how's the sound change. But I'm sure a little bit louder because the primary cut, it's out of primary cut, and this is high flow with it.
How's it going?
Almost. The last piece. Make sure we not forgot nothing. Everything is close, clamps. And let's fire up. I do receive a lot of smell for high flow. Maybe just the first time before they called. This car is tuned or no? For me it looks like tuned. This is not a stock pop.
Who knows?
I think it's just like stage 1 with a pop, but it's not the stock, not original one. Too much. It's not original one. Okay.
What's up, what's up?
What's up, what's up? Need finish this beautiful and our favorite car. After 720, it's our favorite car, Aventador. We done many things, if you remember, guys. Engine build.
Too many things to list.
Engine build, but now it's just for simple service. 25,000 miles after engine build. Car is still running like a charm, a little bit.
So that means you actually did your job right?
Yeah, no any leaks. Everything is good and done. Meister done everything perfectly fine. Yeah, the one module we need to replace EGT sensor. Oh, I think we can show. This is like this guy. So many Aventador with this problem. Small, yeah. Just to connect to this is to EGT module. Left bank, left side. It's bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, bank 4. This is for left side and exactly same for right side. Sorry, delivery guy, you can. Okay, this is the two module, left and right side. This is what we need to replace. About this Betty we talked a little bit late on vlogs. We want to keep the vlogs. I know you guys who like this car, and let's talk about this car and everything what's going on with this car. Just a vlog.
And this is the new bumper for it, right?
No, this is the Bentley. What we need to work on on that car. Something. Okay, we don't know what happens actually. The owner left that car outside for a couple months, and then when he came back, tried to fire up, car is completely dead, and it's a big puddle of the water. It's like a small pool inside the passengers, and something corroded, flooded, we don't know. We need to take out the carpet and check what water damage in. We have not long time ago, 3-4 years ago, similar problem with the same age 2005 or 2006 Continental, but this is Flying Spur. We fight with a GT. I think it's similar. Bumper, okay.
Wait,
bumper.
does it have a Mercedes logo? Yes, it does.
No, this is not for Aventador. This is our project, small project for like a shop car. When we finish, of course, we want to show you how is this car looks. And just like small teaser, this is ML500, and we do off-road because it's a good car. This is old W163 body style with the frame. This is like a G-Class with the frame, but this is M-Class with the frame. When we finish, because this bumper going to powder coating, we're waiting for winch, and when we finish, we talk about this car too. But today, we have a carbon diffuser for Ferrari 488. We need to swap this diffuser. We need to swap aero module over there, because here is the flap ailerons, like they call them ailerons, right? Because this is it's a Boeing 747 or any other. This is too fast, and they need an aileron. Yeah, we need to swap ailerons. The third brake light over there. And this is original one. This is just like it's not carbon fiber. This is composite. It's still like a fiberglass bumper, and really lightweight. But he want a carbon. And a lot of things going on in German auto house. Our new project is coming soon. Of course, we give you more news really soon. What we planning to do? We just like remodel our one area, but this is I think next month, right? Let's start turn down and replace the rear diffuser. Well, here is the unit, aileron, aileron flap. I don't know how they call him. Yeah, we need to transfer this whole unit. This see this, the motor, they open and close. We need to transfer this unit to this diffuser. Yeah, and this third stoplight and the rear camera view. Let's open the flap. First remove this module, open the flap, and then another mini bolt over there.
Final few bolts and it's done.
Just make sure everything is tight proper way. Our gun is adjusted gun with a pre-torque, it's a different torque. Well, spent 2.5, almost 3 hours for just the flap installation pre-fit, because this diffuser it's completely empty.
It's bones,
no
nothing.
No bolt,
Yeah.
no, it's glued, some shims, blah blah blah, a lot of things. Without a lot of things, and we have to fabricate some, adjust, little bit, drill more bigger hole for fitment. But actually now it's good. Fitment, it's not that bad. I mean, looks good. The carbon is good. Of course, it's not Novitec quality,
Bordsteiner.
not Bordsteiner quality, but it's okay. I think I would like to say 7 from 10. What do you think?
6.5.
Okay, 6.75. But I'm sure couple more right and that fence is always damaged, because any parking backwards, no, don't squeak.
Yeah,
It's a grandma bed.
we'll see how it performs.
Yeah, well,
Looks cool.
looks cool. Well, so much customer and just like finish, talk to people. Ilya left pickup the stuff for new office. We moving upstairs, my computer room. I work on Audi R8, just done the transmission flush. If you remember, guys, let's remind how it's going on. You drain transmission fluid from 4 places: pan, another one the mechatronic unit, then rear differential place, and one more time from the big drain plug, and then you have to unscrew the level overflow tube. Then transmission filter, and you need to fill transmission fluid. It's take about like 10 liters. It's funny things, we just drain 5.5 liter. It's really low, and I saw somebody done the flush before. Maybe they didn't do right, but for adjust the transmission level, you need to fire up, then go to procedure by Audis or any other tools who have who can adjust and check transmission level, because this is needed to warm up and the level operation between 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. And then need to shift gears when you feel, and just like drive on a hoist to start fluid moving around and fill all places. And then you leave at, you go to manual, leave at first gear and shut down, and the car is automatically shift to park and all gear is engaged. Then fire up again and start checking transmission dual clutch fluid. Now I want to talk to actually about the Diff, the Haldex system. It's already drained. This is okay. This is front Diff. We have 2 area over there in one case. The first Haldex system over there, drain plug and overflow and filler plug, and here gear oil and right there it's deep inside. I don't know if you can see, guys, this is filler plug. But now we just do the flush for Haldex system, and this is how it looks, fluid what we drain from Haldex. Let me show you how it looks, the brand new fluid, and how is the different color. I just want to mount the camera on stand. And here is, this is the Audi coupling fluid, part number, you can see. And we have syringe to fill. Here is to fluid, the 40,000 mile old fluid and fresh. This is how it's important to Haldex the flush fluid. It's really different color, and of course it's different viscosity, a lot of friction over there, and really important to flush. This is nothing difficult to fill fluid and adjust level, guys. It's really easy, but it's really important to flush. And all Haldex system from Audi and Volvo, this is similar. This have to be done. Well, R8 is finished and I jumped to Aventador. Sorry for the lot of noises from this car, but I want to show you some cool things. You can see the catalytic temperature rank 1000 degree, but another one is good. And we have a warning indicator, catalytic is overheated. I think the problem is with this sensor, with this module. Let's replace and check parameters again. Okay, now I will show you what happens exactly with this Aventador. Ilya, of course, assist me. Oh, I like your hoodie.
It's a Russian YouTuber, Lego Garage.
Lego Garage. Hello from US, but
from Washington.
From Washington State, from Seattle. But now it's back to Aventador. Okay. Blink 1000. 1000. Okay, but the other one is good. Let's check which sensor like to ECU. Okay, this is the module, and this is two coupling. Let's disconnect. Nothing change.
2005.
Oh, jump to 975. It's mean
it works.
It's not connected. Let's take out another one. Oh, see, I disconnect the second. Yeah, see, 975. Now it's two disconnect. Okay, let's check. Let's disconnect the module. We'll connect module, and then we connect the first. It's back. Oh, you see that? Now it's actual temperature. Let's connect the second one. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah, it's a similar, but this is different between the left and right side, but exactly same. Mission complete, problem solved, and back to road.